Hey guys, here we are, season 2. This is day 1. I'm really muddy already. We got stuck in a mud hole. I'm pretty sure it's a great video. Let's check it out. I was frustrated. We were there for about 5 minutes or so. Used my winch. Very first time I got myself out alone. And very scary, but we did it together. I'm a little bit muddy, as you can see. My new gear is new no longer. My white gloves are now brown. The color of mud. The color of fun. Let's check out the Grizzly. She's a mess now. Dirty girl. But she's having a lot of fun too. And I hope you guys are too here on Alva Riders. Please like and subscribe if you are enjoying the show. And if you want to see more, write me any comments, suggestions, or requests. For now, let's get back on the road. I'm having a blast here, guys. And I don't want to leave, but we got to go soon. Let's ride for a couple more hours and then head home. You can hear a lot of wildlife out here. Frogs, birds. I think I heard a shotgun or something over there. So we better get going. I don't want to get caught in a crossfire of a hunter. But I hope you're enjoying it. We're going to take a quick break here and then leave ASAP. Hey guys, welcome back to Alva Riders. There's a gun out there. Can you hear the gun out in the distance? Someone's either hunting or target practice. The rounds seem to keep going off every 30 seconds to a minute. It's really peaceful out here, surreal. This is New Lowell, Ontario, Canada. And we're about to head back to the truck pretty soon. Still gonna do a little bit more riding. I'm really enjoying my time. It is 10:20 a.m. on May 18th. 2019. We've only been riding for about an hour or so. So we're going to keep going for a bit more. The ride still looks pretty clean, so that's a good thing. Got to give this girl a good wash when we get home. We're going out on a big group ride tomorrow morning, out in Tiny Township. And it's the first group ride of the year. And so that's another reason why we've got to get going home pretty soon. Because I want to get ready for that. My white gloves didn't stay white long, did they? Those are supposed to be white. They kind of look like my my old riding gloves from last season, which I'll still wear. I'll revisit some old clothes too. I think I'm gonna have to wear my last year's pants tomorrow, because these ones are soaked and muddy. I didn't know we were gonna get so dirty on our first ride, but we sure did get dirty. Park instead of reverse. It is 10 degrees Celsius, but when you go at a pretty reasonable speed, it gets pretty cold. And even though it is May, it feels a lot more like October. It kind of looks like October too, but I assure you, it is May. It is spring and the warmer weather is coming. It's been pretty rainy this past week, and we're still waiting for that consistent sunshine and warmth to come our way.